welcome back to Trains Up North. Now, I wouldn't normally be putting out a video today, but it's Good Friday, so I thought, why not? And as it's Good Friday, and we've got the long Easter bank holiday weekend, there's going to be a lot of engineering works taking place on the railway. So I'm going to give you a bonus video which will be around engineering trains and things like that. And as you might have noticed, we've got a load of cable troughing on Northern Junction ready to go in. We've got a digger, more will be coming. We've got our lighting and more cable troughing, a bit of pipe and some blue catch pits. Yes, I know today on the rail network we're not putting in the orange pipe, we're changing it and taking it out. But when my layout was set back in 2013, the orange pipe was used extensively to carry cables under the track. It's still used today, but like I said, we are slowly taking it out and replacing it. Normally with hollow sleepers that carry your cables, and it just protects them a little bit more than the orange pipe, which sometimes got used as targets, or that's what it seemed like. Yeah, so without any further ado, I'm going to show you some of the videos that I've captured of the real things. Now, I hope you enjoyed that. If you wanted some modelling, then there's a link in the description below to a couple of other YouTubers that have got some fantastic modelling videos. So, what have I been up to, or what am I going to be doing on the channel? I've said for ages that I need to improve the lighting. So look at that. We have improved lighting on the layout. Next time you see the layout, all that cable troughing should be in. I've got some overhead gantries that hopefully I'll have built by the time you watch this video. So I'll do a video on them, and we'll be getting some ballast down on this northern section. I still need to clean some of the track, so I should have a video out on track cleaning next week. It'll be mechanical track cleaning. There's a shock result on that. Then I've got a video coming up on chemical track cleaning, what we can use to clean the track using chemicals. I'll also do a video showing you the installation of the overhead masts, the trunking, the ballasting, and how I do it, how I make the masts, etc. What else have I got coming up? Oh yeah, I've got some more of the signalling videos coming up in between the modelling ones. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. It allows YouTube to know that my videos are actually okay, and it'll start pushing them out to more people as we build this community and our hobby. Share the video on socials with your friends, whatever. So yeah, don't forget to comment. I love reading comments, especially when they're constructive, and if I don't get things right all the time. I do try, but you know, we're only human. Bear that in mind when you're putting comments on, not just my videos but others. There is actually a person behind the camera who's probably spent quite a bit of time, money and effort in making these videos, so just bear that in mind. And until next time, goodbye.